Want to use free mode on Facebook? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can enable that. First, you want to open the Facebook app. Now log into your account, then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. On the menu, look for free mode or basic mode. If you don't see it, it may depend on your mobile's carrier's data plan. Next, you want to clear your Facebook app cache. For that, tap and hold on the Facebook app, then tap on this app info icon. Now scroll down and tap on storage, then select clear cache. Now you want to turn off Wi-Fi. After that, go ahead and turn on the mobile data. Now you want to launch open Facebook again, and now you should see the free mode or basic mode at the top of your screen. This mode will give you simplified interface with fewer features, perfect for slower connections and saving data. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to like the video, comment and subscribe for more tips.